Sorry, Rachel. I was just trying my dress for the Halloween party.
Oh, you scared me, Pip.
Oh, Rachel. Okay, tell me, what have you planned for the Halloween party this time?
I haven't really thought about it, but I think I can dress like a Celtic witch.
Celtic Witch? What's that?
If you do not know about Celts, that means you do not know why do we celebrate Halloween.
Well, we celebrate Halloween to dress like ghosts, play pranks or tricks on friends, and have good food. Simple.
Well, that's Halloween as you know it today. But actually, Halloween is much more than that.
Tell me then, when did this spooky festival start? Why are we dressed like ghosts and not like kings, queens, or warriors? What's the spooky story of Halloween?
Halloween originated from the Celtic festival Samhain.
But who were the Celts?
The Celts lived about 2000 years ago in the area which is now Ireland, United Kingdom, and northern France. The festival marked the end of summer and the harvest, and the beginning of dark, cold winters.
So, what about the ghostly connection?
The Celts believed that on the day of Samhain, the boundaries between the worlds of living and dead become so thin that spirits of dead would come to earth that night.
Oh, so they would be scared.
Yes, the Celtic people were scared and thought that these spirits would damage the crops and cause trouble for the people. So, to ward off the evil spirits, the Celtic people decided to dress like ghosts and light bonfires.
When did the festival get its name, Halloween?
About 700 years ago, Pope Gregory IV declared 1st of November as the All Saints' Day, a day of celebration of the Holy Spirits. The evening before that was known as the Holy Evening. Hallow is an old word for holy, and even is an old word for evening. Soon, Hallow Even became Halloween.
That's interesting. But why are pumpkins carved out on Halloween?
Well, in the beginning, it was the turnips, as they were popular in Ireland. The Irish people would make scary faces out of hollow turnips and place them in the fields to ward off the evil spirits. In the middle of 19th century, Irish people migrated to America due to the Great Irish Famine. In America, they discovered pumpkin and found that these were very easy to carve out the faces. So, pumpkin became a part of the Halloween celebrations.
And these are the famous jack-o'-lanterns.
Yes, people also keep these outside their homes to ward off the evil spirits.
Ha ha ha! And some pumpkins can even have ghostly spirits in them.
Sorry, kids, it was me. I was just getting a little naughty. Come on, your mommy is cooking food for the party.
What's the party menu, Dad?
Ghostly pizza, monster wraps, pumpkin chocolate chip cake, and Halloween cheese balls.
Hey friends, what's your favorite Halloween food? And what's your Halloween costume this time? Do write to us in the comment box.
Trivia time! Jack-o'-lanterns is an Irish legend, according to which an Irish man named Stingy Jack tricked the devil, so he was not allowed into the heaven or hell. So he spent his days roaming on the earth carrying a lantern, and that was called the Jack-o'-lantern. If you want to know some spooky facts about Halloween and want to indulge in some ghostly activities, then visit our website www.makemegenius.com and stay subscribed to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming video on the Festival of Lights, Diwali. See you soon with yet another sparkling video.